Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I try to do the CPU throttling test on the Realme X1 Max device after the recent software update by using the high performance mode and by using the gain space and also using the pro gamer mode, everything. Yes, so I'm trying to select all the options in one time together in this phone in the Realme X1 Max, so which I did receive the latest update just yesterday itself, which is a 8.17. Let's see, after using this kind of high performance and everything all together, what will be the CPU throttling and how much higher the temperatures can actually increase in this Realme X1 Max. That is what I'm going to exactly focus in this entire video. So you may be wondering why I'm doing this kind of multiple videos on the CPU throttling. The reason is because I'm trying to gather the data what is happening with the phone. So before I did not use any kind of adjustment, only using gain space, only using high performance mode. Now high performance mode combined with the gain space. So what will be the final output? So this is a question which has been asked by plenty of my subscribers, so I thought of making this kind of video for you all, which might be useful as well. So first let's start with the step-by-step process. Let's try to select the performance mode. High performance mode is done, as you can see friends clearly. Next, application is also added into the gain space, as you can see. High performance mode is done, gain space is also done. Let me know to clear everything from the background. All the apps are completely clean. Let me know to open the CPU throttling at this moment. Yes, everything is completely clean. I'm trying to use the virtual RAM, same 5GB extension as well. And let's decrease the brightness to 50%. That's perfectly done. And pro gamer mode also enabled. So all the three settings are completely enabled: high performance mode and gain space and pro gamer mode. And let's take the temperatures before starting the test. It's up close to 34 degrees, not bad. 34 degrees. Let's see this time by using all settings how much higher temperatures can the phone can actually increase in the Realme X1 Max device, and how much the CPU can be throttled during this time of demonstration. That will be my another focus as well, the temperature and how much the CPU can be throttled. So by using this all the statistics and data, we can come to the conclusion what is happening with this phone regarding the temperatures and regarding the performance what we did see. I'll try to make another video as well comparing all the graphs together in explaining what is happening with this Realme X1 Max and which scenario is kind of really best in terms of the Realme X1 Max performance. So right now in the beginning it was close to 34 degrees the temperatures. Let's see after some time how much the temperatures can actually increase in the Realme X1 Max device. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes of continuously running this test. Right now, as you can see friends, we are kind of close to 8 minutes of time. The temperature went up to 42 degrees again. Yes, even this time the temperature also 42.2, slightly more, as you can see friends. So before the temperature did increase up to 42 only, but this time we got 42.2 degrees. 42.2 degrees is the highest temperature recorded this time using the high performance mode and combination of this all different enhancement boosters. So game boosters we did enable and pro gamer mode and high performance. Definitely the temperature will ultimately increase. Yes, if you try to use the high performance mode, the moment you use it, the temperature will definitely increase in the Realme X1 Max. Yeah. So I'm not blaming the temperatures in this phone, because even we all do know if you try to use this kind of option, ultimately the temperatures will definitely increase in the phone. But I'm just for the demonstration purpose only, I'm trying to make this kind of video. But I think the graph was completely okay this time. The graph, it's kind of okay, stable, not much issues like before. Let's see, let's come into the conclusions only at the end. After 15 minutes only, then we'll be able to decide which phone has got how much kind of performance and compared with the previous results, how much it got improved or decreased or not. That is what I'm going to check after 15 minutes of time. Then we can actually come into the conclusion what is happening in this Realme X1 Max device. Again, I'll be back after a couple of minutes. Till now it was no issues, as you can see. Till now there is no problem at all. In terms of the CPU throttling, nothing. No. As you can see friends. As you can see friends, right now we are getting kind of close to 15 minutes of time. Right now the time is about 13 minutes exactly. Let's check the temperatures. 42.4 degrees. As you can see, 42.6. 42.6. I can definitely understand friends, it's not the phone problem, because right now I am trying to boost everything. So I'm trying to boost high performance mode and using the game turbo mode and everything, gain space and pro gamer mode. So if you try to use each and everything to boost up the performance, the phone is going on crazy and it's increasing up to 42.6 degrees the temperatures. As you can see, 42.6 degrees clearly how much it is. 42.6. This is so far the highest 42.6 in this Realme X1 Max device during the processor demonstration. My room temperature is pretty low. It's only my room temperature. 30 degrees is my room temperature, not much. So overall friends, the temperature is slightly higher in this phone in the Realme X1 Max, and compared with the before results, I can definitely feel even the heat on the backside as well in this area exactly, to be specific. So when compared with the before results, I did find out the temperature is slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max this time. Yes, this time it's higher. Let's see. So whether the high temperatures matters any kind of performance or not, will it affect any kind of performance? That's what I'm going to exactly check. CPU throttling and everything, how much the CPU can be throttled. Let's see. Now we'll be able to get to know the results. 42.6 degrees. That's so far the highest in this Realme X1 Max, my unit. I'm not sure about the others, but in my testing, these were the results I just got it. 42.6, running for only 15 minutes of time. Same settings, everything is as it is. Same settings. I did not change any kind of other settings at all. Well, I'll try to show you the settings option as well. Same options every time. I'll try to select only these options. Right now we got the graph, and which looks kind of better when compared with the before. Yes, it looks kind of better. Only thing is that the temperature is slightly higher. It increased, as you can see friends. So 3,27,000 you got the score, and average was 2,92,000, not bad, and minimum is 2,35,000. And CPU total up to 74% as well. That's not bad at all, I would say, when compared with the previous results which we got. Previously it used to be slightly different graphs, as you can see, different graphs. But the score was really good, maintaining that kind of average. Average is really higher this time, 295. Maintaining, that's fantastic. So this is a quick review friends on the Realme X1 Max in the high performance mode, gain space and pro gamer mode. Temperature went up to 42.6 degrees in the Realme X1 Max. If you try to use all the settings to enhance the performance in this phone, you will get the performance, but that will definitely result in the high temperatures in this phone. That's the one thing we should be with this phone. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.